Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to explain how to enter transactions in a voucher. Some transaction examples I have brought in this video. That all examples I will try to show how to enter these transactions in a payment voucher, receipt voucher, contra vouchers. We all know before entering these transactions in a vouchers, first we need to create ledger for these transactions. So in this video, I am going to explain shortcut way to create ledgers in a vouchers itself. So this company has been started from Ramesh. So this company name is Ramesh Traders. Already I have created here. So now I will show how to enter transactions in a voucher directly without creating the ledgers. On 1/4/2018, this Ramesh Trader company has received 7 lakh rupee as a capital account. So company has been received. So this I need to enter in a receipt voucher. So press F6 from your keyboard to open receipt voucher. So cash capital account is considered means company is receiving cash here. So in account you need to select it as a cash. Okay. Next one is what? Company is received capital account. So press Alt C to create ledger directly here itself. So here what I need to type? Capital account. Company is receiving capital account. So capital account is a ledger here. So this capital account should come under capital account ledger. So accept this. So automatically that capital account ledger will be displayed here. How much capital account this company, Ramesh Trader company is receiving? 7 lakh rupee. Okay. Now, if you want to write any narration, you can write here. Otherwise, you can accept. Okay. Next transaction is cash deposited in Punjab National Bank rupee 3 lakh on 1/4/2018. On same day, this Ramesh Traders company has deposited 3 lakh rupee in Punjab National Bank. Because how much company has received capital account? 7 lakh rupee. From that 7 lakh rupee, 3 lakh rupee this company is in depositing amount in Punjab National Bank. So here one account should be contain Punjab National Bank and cash is depositing in this bank. So here is what? Depositing means it should come, contra entry should come here. So F4 you need to press from your keyboard to open contra voucher. So here this company is depositing into Punjab National Bank, and this bank name always should come under accounts. So now what I will do? Press Alt C from your keyboard, and here you need to create Punjab National Bank, and always this bank account should come under the group of bank account. So here you need to enter the detail of bank. IFSC code you need to enter here, and you need to enter the detail of your bank account and accept it. Okay. Now how much cash you are going to invest? 7 lakh rupee the amount is there in a cash account. So this cash, from this cash 3 lakh rupee I am depositing in Punjab National Bank. How much remained? 4 lakh rupee remained here. Okay. Now accept it. Interest 1000 rupee. Interest received from Punjab National Bank. So company is receiving interest from Punjab National Bank. This Punjab 2 accounts will come here. Punjab National Bank already I have created, so no need to create now. Next one is what? Interest received. So one account should come here. Received means in which account voucher it will come? Receipt voucher. So press F6 from your keyboard. Okay. Now received. We are receiving, Ramesh Trader company is receiving interest. So from what bank it is receiving? Punjab National Bank. So what will come here in accounts? Punjab National Bank will come, and interest is receiving. This we need to create ledger. So here interest received. So it is what we are receiving. We are not receiving for manufacturing and all. We are receiving interest from bank. So it is indirect income for the company. So next one is 1000 rupee interest has been received from Punjab Bank. Okay. Next one is Ramesh paid office rent as a 15,000, food expense as a 5,000 rupee. Next one is here he is paying cash. So here what will come? Paid payment voucher. You need to take, press F5 from your keyboard. He is paying cash. So here you need to select cash as a accounts here, and then how much payment expense office rent he is paying? 15,000 rupees. So first we need to create ledger for this. So press Alt C, and then here you need to select as a office rent. So he is paying office rent. So it is called as a direct expense. Already I have explained all these things. Now no need to explain. Next one, how much he is paying? 15,000 rupee. Next one is on same day he has done one more expense, food expenses he has done. So I have not created still. I need to create one more ledger here. Press Alt C, food expenses. Okay, this is the direct expense because he is doing this for company itself. So how much? 5,000 rupee food expense he is making on same day. So both you can write in a same voucher. So accept it. Next one is now cash of 30,000 received from Rohan because he is receiving some cash from Rohan. So here receiving means we need to open, press F6 from your keyboard to open receipt voucher. So now he is receiving cash. So here I will write as a cash account. How much we are receiving from whom? Rohan Traders. Rohan. So here what I will do? I'll see. Here I will type as a Rohan. Here Rohan, we are receiving from Rohan means it is income for us. So indirect income. Next one is how much money we are receiving? 30,000 rupees. Now I will show balance sheet. Enter here, select balance sheet and take enter. Now press Alt F1 to elaborate the balance sheet. Now we can see how much money we have invested. 7 lakh rupee. That will be displayed in a capital account. Next one you can see here profit and loss account. This profit and loss account is displaying under liability side. Why it is displaying? Because expense is more than the income. So this profit and loss is displayed at liability side. If income is more than the expense, then this option will be displayed at asset side. Cash account, how much money has remained, cash account has been remained, cash amount has been remained, that will be displayed at cash in hand side. Next one, amount, how much amount is there in a bank account, that will be displayed in bank accounts. Okay, if you want to see from bank account how much money we have deposited, withdrawn and all, that you can see under bank account option here. Take enter, and here you can see 2 transactions we have done from bank, interest received and deposit.